cwrs gwirio stoc gan Lantra, sy'n cael ei gynnig gan brosiect Cwlwm Seiriol, yn gyfle arbennig i bobl ddysgu sut mae gofalu am yr anifeiliaid sy'n pori ar ein gwarchodfeydd bydd bywyd gwyllt. Mae'n gyfle gwych i gydweithio, dod i nabod pobl a gwario amser yn yr awyr agored. Felly be oedd gan y bobl fydd ar y cwrs i ddeud am y diwrnod?
Hi, we've just finished the course on stock checking. It's been an excellent day. Should be very valuable to enable me to go down to local fields and check over the ponies that are there. Very well organised, thoroughly enjoyed it. Delightful walks around the fields and plenty to learn on this farm. Thanks very much.
Well, I've just finished the livestock checkers course with Lantra, and it's been absolutely brilliant day. Lots of good theory in the morning and then a nice practical assessment in the afternoon. Thank you very much.
So we've just finished the stock checker course for the people from the Cwlwm Seiriol area. We had 3 people who live or work in the area, and they've learnt how to check livestock, which can be really handy because we've got ponies there, and it's going to mean that we can get a bit of community spirit going and they can be checking ponies.